Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. Bumba pussy, bumba blood clot, Crosses TV. My over ya.
Yeah. Buenos días. Al aire. Them I send me screen a card in here. Well, while I was busy minding my business, get up on live a coming here with Tuffy. Him at this point, I love it fuck those. Come up off for me.
When you listen to your end, listen.
Yeah man, today, Mother's Day 2023, what time? 10:14 a.m. Kimura Farbs, Barrett, wherever your name. Now beg you lift up off for me, Kim. Kim the palm from Blood Clot 2016. Kim, come off from me now. I don't want a friend from you, Kim. Kim, I don't want nothing to do with you, Kim. If they on phone or live or wherever play about, why you not like Nana, Tuffy? Kim, you know, to the whole Instagram of Blood Clot rub you out. For me, I want to rub you too. You really want me to enter the chat? You argue with about 50 blood clot Jamaican girl and man in a Jamaican. Move no man. Go on no man. Go find some Costa Rican people no man. You know to say you have no local Jamaican people, them don't like you. Them don't fucking like you, bro. Stop Bumbocloth, call me name with Tuffy, bro. You come blood clot, play upon life, boy. Why you don't like Tuffy? Let me tell you why I don't like Tuffy. We always help me with big pussy, so cocky, lick up, body. No pussy left, blood clot, dog shit. You're not tired. Alright? Your blood clot, pussy fucking a body came. What the blood clot, nasty girl. Big nasty blood clot, no morals, no principle, nothing about your dirty bitch. But the blood clot you're coming in for with Tuffy. Me, Tuffy know me. I know blood clot, dog shit, yeah, dog shit Kim. So Tuffy in a year blood clot criteria. Tuffy meet your Bumbocloth level. Cause he's a dog shit. You have different kind of blood clot dark shit. And use a dark shit. Stop calling me blood clot name in your mouth. Where you bet boy fucking and them in your blood clot body then fucking blood clot hood. Shitty blood clot mouth came. Shitty blood clot answer came. Stop calling me name. You go up on live. I play a recording or whatever the fuck you do, but so Tuffy wearing a like Nana. Go suck your mama and Tuffy. Give me not to say me a different class of blood clot. You have to pay a man for fuck you, pay a friend for friend, you pay people for like you. Me live for blood clot free, Kim. Stop one like me in a blood clot class, Kim. Who is you, Kim? You look at boss. You look at your name for cars until you don't have no limit. You make people dog you. Me see him like a dog when I see the girl in my cuss you. And in my cuss banda like a dog. Move, Kim, move, go away. Blood clot, no man. Go away. You don't see it. Nobody fucking like you. That's like you always come talk about what you do for people. Because you have to do for people that around you. Nobody fuck with you for free. Name one person who fuck with you for free. Because you're so fucking evil and covetous. Nobody don't want to be around you. Nobody don't want to be around you. They have to blood clot try to use shit for giant people. But the pussy Bumbocloth take up and never come talk about Tuffy why not like Nana. Suck out your blood clot woman, stop coming in. Dirty bitch. Me don't know where you. Me don't know if I'm nowhere, Kim. Kim, let it go. Stop calling name. Stop calling blood clot name. I don't want to play this hypocrite Brandon. Because when you call me blood clot name, him go on like him not see. Him never hear you call me name yet. Him go tell me say, him never see the live. Where you play my blood clot, buy some theater about Tuffy. Why you not like Nana? Him go say, him not see it. But I'm tell you something, Kim. Enough for you. Enough for blood clot. You what they the pan life I come talk about. I tell all of them for buy house. She no. You can't tell me for buy house. You have house. You have blood clot house. Eh? You have house. I'm sleeping on my bed last night. Comfortable in a blood clot. Comfortable. I'm wake up this man, I'm gonna come baby come and say happy birthday, happy Mother's Day, and bring me get my blood clot birthday card. Yeah. My baby daddy I first one blood clot tell me happy Mother's Day, and the next one call me all the way from blood clot because Kim go fuck your mama. Come in and ask Christ Bob now call you today. I you so corrupt. You live on life and name up yourself for the girl them like you. The girl them not like you. You don't notice all them laugh and talk with you as you sleep your blood clot slide. Them not like you. Move. Go back in your blood clot and go find your culture. Go find your culture. Teach your kids them your blood clot culture. Teach your man in my Jamaican, teach him about your country. Move your dibby blood clot. Enough for you. Don't Bumbocloth come back. You deaf? Me hate you dirty bitch. Me I tell you, you never stop till me blood clot hate you. Every day you get up and call me name. You make dirty bitch a call me name. You come call me name, but why not like, what you help me with? What you help me with dog shit? Eh? You tell Tuffy when my blood clot give Bumbocloth money and me pick the bird people for turn on blood clot like so good. You tell Tuffy when you come for me and bring me to chase back for me to draw me look at dividends to help you my blood clot deep in car. Nasty old girl. You tell Tuffy say me and the only girl I used to put in a good things. Dirty blood clot Kim. What kind of blood clot can you for me? What you mean, Tuffy the part life I come talk about? She always the helper, she always a go run and go suck your mama, girl. Be a blood clot badness back of that. I want your dog shit. Eh? Stop size up with me, bitch. You will never be blood clot. You could have no blood clot, rich. You will never be Nana. You can't have my principles. You can't have my style, my parts are not on that bitch. You will never be Jamaican. Unless you go to Jamaica to pay blood clot and your oldness. You have to go buy and your oldness. Buying Jamaican friendship doesn't make you Jamaican. You can never be one. A blood clot. Move!
All right. All right. The dirty one, they called me most about 6 times to them. You have a black car. Send me number. Who she call? The dirty Tuffy. Send me number. She said. So what she said there? It's on my Facebook page. YouTube. See there. See there. You're too wicked to me. You're gonna send me the money, yes or no? Oh, not hear your people. People not hear me. Susie. Susie. Hello? Who is this?
Hello?
Yeah. So me not
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you now.
Yeah, me I hear you. Me have to mute because you are playing something.
No, me don't play it now. This is a dirty one and this is a dirty frozen thinking one, you know. No, call me today. She said, you're too wicked to me. You send me my money, yes or no, because I'm gonna make your life a hell. I'm not hear this.
Me are hungry, she hungry. That I'm Mr. Smart, me go black a page there. We are bring back the news to Tuffy.
Lock it. Yes. Block it. Drunk of them. Let
Me
me
don't
tell
care
you,
who want bring back the Tuffy. Tuffy can't beat me and she can't rub
she
me.
can't beat me neither.
Tuffy fi go beard. Tuffy
All
go
I know,
beard.
me tell her, I say, come suck me back way with a straw. Put one in my body, one in my front, and suck out the blood and the shit same time and yam it.
Oh dog shit. She not sister. She not get no money. Why she not done? She not get no money. What's her problem?
Come here. She could have called Bill Clinton. She could have called Donald Trump. She could have called anybody. She and the girl. She and the slut. She and the slut over there. So can't call Donald Trump. Can't call Bill Clinton. Can't call the FBI. Can't call any eye where they can't call. Me no have dollar for this rotten old girl. Me no have dollar for her and she can't get dollar from me. So she can do all what she want to do. Call everybody what she can. Call Atlanta, call New York, call Jamaica, call Cham, call anybody we can call. Bitch, you're not getting a dime.
Crosses TV, you know, no crosses soap can be a Tuffy. Tuffy need a crosses soap.
No,
to wash off the crosses.
no. People who know that they are laugh, listen to me. Me a talk conscious, me not talk. Me a talk. This girl, the rotten one, where her body are rotten out over there, so we do the disease. This girl and Tuffy, I work as a team. Them haunted. This girl look like she haunted, like the doctor up there was work, it turn back on her.
Yeah. So obviously go work at the auntie.
She give Tuffy everybody number. I have Tuffy call them like that. Can't do nothing. I don't know if I'm a bad girl. Nobody can do me nothing. Boyfriend, husband, girlfriend, any friend, just talk to the mother. I cool. Me not afraid of nobody. Not care who the one call. And yo, man. And I come tell about them tape, them man. Them over there talk to them tape, them man. And the man had nothing nice to say.
Susie, baby.
Auntie, you go lower.
Yeah, me not.
Oh, no.
Susie.
Sorry, me put me on nobody something. Remember, me not use the phone like you.
Yeah. That's okay, auntie.
I come talk about them tape, them man. And whatever the man said was not nice. And me better stop talking for him put it out. Bitch, put it out. Bitch, put it out. You know, you're the man say must go in your corner, go in your culture. Go in your corner, in your culture and leave. The girl obsessed over me. Me buy a bag, the girl run go buy the bag. Me have my bed, me have show my bed head the other day. Because the girl go buy the same bed head. Me go do me ear the other day, she go do her ear, me pull up at me ear.
Yeah.
The girl obsessed over me. I mean, never deal with a girl from a barn.
Yeah, yeah, Tuffy stuff read it, Tuffy, read it. And I know read what.
Must you read what me tell her? You know, see, girl, you know, see everybody laugh and the girl their crosses. And all the people that she can give $200 and $100 to go cut for them, you know, see, them are crosses. Have this little retarded looking one she. If you have a monkey, if you have a other woman with tangle and something, I call everybody in America, I call them. Them not tired, them not say not working. Susie, them not say not work.
But me think the argument done and gone, auntie. I swear to God, me think the argument done. I Tuffy, I keep bring back the war every minute. But
no, the girl is a devil. And the girl, I tell her to do it, and the girl give her the people them number.
Oh, that Kimmy attack.
Yes, Tuffy don't have these numbers.
Oh.
That's what I tell her. Tuffy don't have nobody number. I give her them and I put them on, and I tell her to call this and call it and tell them say you want your money.
Oh, so Kimmy instigate under the cover and oh.
I know her. Remember, I know this girl for 16 years. I know her. She's a bitch. She evil.
So Kim act like she thought she not do the things. I'm not think Kim done already. So I instigate the war. See him here.
Did you listen to the voice note?
Yeah, Nana boy, Nana go on bad. You know, see me mute.
Did you hear what the lady said? How she evil? The lady and I used to live together, and if a lady live with her and cannot say these things about her, what we say? This girl is an evil ass girl. This girl is evil. The devil in the girl I run up and down.
I don't want to say devil I run up and down.
It have run up and down in her body. That's why she's a haunted. Every morning, 7 o'clock she wakes up on live. 10 o'clock she haunted.
And she a feel Tuffy with the information.
And she get all the information about everybody. You know, so she a Tuffy the on phone and chat Jamaica people and she record it. Me and Tuffy never took on phone and chat yet.
Yeah.
That girl from people from the girl coming to Jamaica community. The girl mash up Jamaica community. 30 people and this girl in Brooklyn, New York don't speak. 30 girls from she going to dance hall, she match up dance hall at Brooklyn.
Yeah, there. Yeah, there.
Why she coming to Jamaica community? Me can't understand. Why she coming to Jamaica community and doing this? And when done the other day, she got liquor about moving a blood clot on the lid bad. You supposed to come in here and carry news to each people and mash it up. Then she got turn on about moving a blood clot on the lid bad like why. You see me telling about her?
She live bad. I don't know why she not come out of the community. If we live bad, why you there with that woman them? Why you go our country? Why the fuck you there in our community? Get the fuck out and go and pay expanded order, senior order. Keep moving.
You know, you man say move and not come back. Move and not come back, girl. You know, here. This girl is something I never know in my wildest dream that this girl was so obsessive over me. That me go with the other day. Me buy one pink Versace bag. She go buy the yellow fake one, carry go her country. Me come back, me chill. me chill. When she stay in her bedroom, I do video, and my bed she having them. I just come back and fling out the bed, yeah, man. Come back, I swear to God, I take on the bed and throw the bed. I have no bed till when I'm ready, I buy another one. Me go do me ear last week. When me there in New York, I go do me ear and go eat. She go do her hair and go eat same time. Me dash her food and me take her from here.
Oh my God, that's the easier time.
Make up on the man show over there, so she pay the man and go over there 20 times and me not go back over there. Jesus Christ. God me ask, so anybody have any Obeah man can make them pay for me?
I think we have one African man in the blood clot.
Please give me name, make him pray for me because we can't take it. I say to you, them Lego something for me. Them Lego something for me and me don't know what going to happen. Them Lego no.
Yeah.
That's the easy time.
Yeah,